Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the ultimate in portable convenience, the small folding table and stool, a versatile and lightweight camping essential. This ingenious 2-in-1 design features a one-piece folding table and a collapsible stool, both crafted from high-quality plastic for smooth operation, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Weighing just 4.4 pounds for the table and 2.2 pounds for the stool, this set is easy to carry like a briefcase, thanks to its built-in handles, and the stool cleverly fits inside the folded table for seamless portability. With adjustable heights ranging from 11.5 to 19.7 inches for the table and 2.36 to 18.11 inches for the stool, it adapts to any indoor or outdoor setting, whether you're camping, at the beach, or working from home. Despite its compact size, the table boasts a load-bearing capacity of 55 pounds, while the stool can support up to an impressive 600 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability. The table's unfolded area measures 17.5 by 25.8 inches, providing ample space for your needs, yet it remains incredibly lightweight at just 4.48 pounds, including a folding stool and storage net. Combining practicality, portability, and aesthetics, this folding table and chair set is the perfect addition to your home decor and lifestyle, offering high-quality service for everyday use or your next adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.